shall now have the report of Aya Macalma on the PNP statement of the link of ISIS and the latest bombing in Leyte.
There is no security threat in the country. This was the assurance of PNP Chief Ronald Bato de la Rosa. He said this after the recent bombing in Hilagos Leyte last night, wherein 31 individual was injured and rushed to a nearby hospital. Though in the initial investigation, the bomb was similar to the Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters or BIFF. According to PNP Chief de la Rosa, that the parts of the bomb that was recovered came from an 81mm mortar, which is also the same signature of BIFF makes.
Ongoing pa investigasyon. Yung nga lang, nakikita natin doon ang signature ng IED o yung bomba na pinapasabog ay the same doon sa mga ginagamit sa mga terorista doon sa Mindanao. So the same, yung 81mm mortar na lagyan ng cellphone detonated.
PNP Chief assures the public of their safety this Yuletide season.
So far, wala pa tayong namomonitor ngayon na mga ganong trade. Yung individual yun na kaso, isolated yun. So sana, enjoy Christmas. But still, be alert. Magtutulungan tayo na wala mangyaring ganun. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Please relax and enjoy the Yuletide season. Huwag po tayo magpapatakot sa mga ganong klaseng pananakot. Dahil hindi po malayo. So pagpatuloy natin yung pag-celebrate nyo yan.
For PTV News, this is Waywaya Macalma.
I'd like to correct that the PNP linked the Leyte bombing to BIFF and not to the global terrorist group ISIS.